Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I am going to show you how to use your essence. In this case, the snail mucin and your toner in your skincare routine. So what prompted me to do this is because I think I did a video on the ordinary, one of their essence, the new essence. I will put a link somewhere here for you to check it out. So I put a video up and someone asked the question, okay, they do their Korean skincare steps and do I think toners and essence, they're the same thing? I said to her, no, they are not the same thing. So they're used separately in the routine. So that's what I'm here to do today, to show you guys how to use your snail mucin and then your toner and tell you the difference between these two products. So first things first, I have just washed my face and look at my face. So I didn't want to come and start washing my face on and everything. So I've washed my face and I used the CETAPHIL oily skin cleanser. I have just filmed the review and I will be sure to put a link for you to check out. Now the next thing you want to do is to go in with your toner. In this case, I am using the QMS Medic Cosmetics Cleanse System. It's a hydrating toner. There are many types of toners, exfoliating toners and what have you, but I prefer to use hydrating toners. So yes, and hydrating toners can be used daily or 2 times a day, but those other toners that have like AHA, BHAs, I wouldn't use them on daily basis. So just this is how you use your toner one way. I have done a video as well on how to use toners. So this is one way. And this is how I personally like to use it. Put it on a cotton pad and then wipe the entire face. And yes, toners are very optional and I always say that, but I prefer to add it to my skincare routine because it helps to take away skincare. Like for example, if I didn't wash my skin thoroughly, it helps to take away impurities that didn't get taken care of, and it also helps to prep the skin for the other product that I'll get to use. So the toner comes right after your cleanser. I can go straight ahead to apply the snail essence. The snail essence, I have done a video on this. I'll be sure to link it in the description box below for you to check out as well. I've nearly run out of it. If you have a toner and if you have your snail mucin or any other essence, so you cleanse your skin first, use your hydrating toner, follow up with the essence. So essence are usually very hydrating, very light in consistency, and they practically go with any skincare product. So what I'm going to do now, because my face has dried, so I'm going to go in with this thermal spray. This is basically spring water. In the absence of this, I mean, this is not essential basically, but you can just use your tap water, wet your face. It's best to always apply your essence on damp skin. Ooh, okay, I'm lucky to have gotten at least a few drops, and then you pat it on the skin. I think I wet my face a bit too much. You just want your face to be damp, but that's okay. So you see how I'm patting it onto my skin. That's what you want to do, and of course not forgetting your neck. So the essence can be used on all skin types and it can be used by everybody, man and woman, or whatever you identify as. You can use this because I've gotten questions from men. They ask, okay, can a man use this? I'm like, of course, why not? It can be used by anybody. So I'll just allow this to fully absorb into my skin. Then I will proceed with the next product. Until now, I am done with the rest of my face, my skincare. So after using the snail mucin, I did go in with this GF solution from The Ordinary. And why did I use it? It's actually my first time using it. I wanted to do a review on it. So the good thing with essence, so after using the serum, I ended up with a moisturizer, which is the Clinique moisturizer. Back to the toner and the essence, they are not the same. The toner does a separate job and the essence does an entirely different job. In your routine, the toner comes right after your cleanser. Follow up with your essence. You want to cleanse your face, use your toner and then use your essence. So toners, what they do is that some of them say rebalancing, hydrating, exfoliating. So depending on the kind of toner it is, I mean, it's still used right after your cleanser. So in my case, I use the hydrating toner. Me personally, I see sometimes when I use my toner, I'm like, wow, I thought I washed my face. But yes, I still see some sort of, you know, stuff on the cotton pad. And the thing is, some toners can just be slapped onto the face, like, I mean, poured on the palm and applied onto the face. But most times you use a cotton pad to apply it, I mean, to, you know, swipe it on the face gently. Then the snail essence is just very hydrating. For example, if you're going to apply other serums, it also helps to, you know, helps the skin to absorb it better. But it's not something that it's compulsory in your skincare routine. It is very optional, but on its own, it is very good because it's very hydrating, and it, you know, sort of gives you that glass skin. Whenever I use the essence, yes, they, you know, give you that illusion of glass skin because of how, you know, glowy or how dewy it leaves the skin. And do not end with your essence. Always follow up with a moisturizer, and daytime use your SPF. So do not never end at your essence. So basically that's it. That's how you use your essence and your toner in your skincare routine, and that's the difference between an essence and a toner. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below, or if you have any suggestions as well, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, or videos you like on my channel, drop them as well, and I'll be sure to answer your questions. And if it's videos you want me to film, I'll try my best to do that, film them. And with all that said, I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know as well in the comment section below. So that's it for me. Till next time, guys. Bye.